What's going on, mi gente? I'm back. It's 2025. I've been gone for a minute. I ain't been recording. I've been bullshitting. You already know, you know what I'm saying? But your boy back. I'm back. I've been busy though, man. And today's a beautiful day. Today, well, it ain't that beautiful because you see it's raining and shit, you know what I'm saying? But other than the rain and the cold and that I'm wet, other than all those things there, God is good. But God is always good. So that's always every day, right? But man, what I got going on today, hey, I can't wait for that. So I'm excited. It's cold, but let me put the heater on, man. You know what I'm saying? It's cold, but that's neither here nor there. I'm excited. So y'all can go through the journey with me of building it. I should have recorded me building the Camaro, you know, but it slipped my mind. I got a little clips of it or whatever, but I ain't really record like that, you know. So I messed up on that content right there, you know. So I'll show y'all a little pictures of here and there of how the car came out. I got a short that showed it, but I ain't got the whole delivery of everything. So yeah, man. I'm excited to talk to y'all. I ain't talked to y'all in a minute. Mi gente, hey man, I'm happy. This is a beautiful year. I hope, well, I don't even hope. I know everybody's gonna have a great year this year. Very prosperous. Get the money, honey. Hope y'all, if y'all got family, y'all get great with y'all family. If y'all ain't got no family, make a family. Go make some kids. But make sure you got the right man or female. You know, I mean, you know what I'm saying? Right partner, you know what I'm saying? Because you don't want to be out here fucked up with the wrong person. You know? Shit. I had bought some new tires for my car in the front. The front tires, oh man, hey, they on point. They on point. They now my steering, the grip. Yeah, so now I'm ready to swim. If y'all know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm saying? Hey, but not in the rain though. Y'all stay tuned for that. But we ain't doing that in no rain. I ain't wrecking my car for y'all. Hell nah. But that boy in that red van, I don't know if y'all seen it, going across a little C7. Yeah, man. Hey, I put a video out, a short. I was practicing out because I'm starting to do. I'm gonna do, cause I was heavy on Forza and Car X and all that shit, but I never had a wheel. So now I got a wheel. I'm gonna start making sim driving on there, and I'm gonna try to. My vision is I'm gonna blend real life with the game life. So I want it to be. I'm gonna be doing real shit on the game, and then try to see if I can do it in real life. Like I tried to do the 360. So on the game, I went the same speed I went on in real life, like around 30 something, and it was a little harder. But I seen some videos where I need to speed up. One guy, he did it, he was on point. He said you gotta be doing at least like 40, 50, 60 down there. And I ain't gonna lie, that sounds scary to do, but I'm gonna do it because I did it down there 30 something, 40. And I see why you gotta have that speed, cause shit, you want that momentum of the car still going forward. Cause when I did it 2 times. I ain't show the video the second time, but I did it 2 times. The first time I did it with a little speed, like it was almost like 30 something, 40, almost, and it almost did the whole 360, and then where you can get up out of there like this. You know what I'm saying? But the second time I hit the U-turn, I did the second time. The second time I only did it slow. I was like around maybe 25 miles an hour or something like that. About 25, and the car ain't do nothing. All it did is whip it and then back up. And I see why you can't go slow, because you're gonna lose momentum. So you gotta put up some speed to do it. So I'm gonna practice some more. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna slap the 360 on there so it can look like a game. So we can have real life game and game. Same but different. You know, same but different. Yeah, man, I'm excited. I can't wait to Buddy to give me the call. I feel like I'm gonna call him, but I ain't gonna lie, I was talking to him on Friday. No, it was Saturday. I was talking to him on Saturday, and the man, I don't know what country he come from, but he ain't American, and he sounded annoyed. Yeah, he sounded like a full-blown asshole. Like, hey, it's coming, don't, however the hell his accent was. So, you know, he was kind of annoying me, you know what I'm saying? Kind of pissing me off. But I was like, I'm gonna let it vibe, you know? You just came all the way across the country to bring the car. So he said today, I can't wait to see it. Oh man. Hey man, like I said, for everybody who subscribed, I appreciate y'all. And for all my new subscribers, I'm appreciate y'all ahead of time. Please like and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Your boy out here trying to grow the channel. It's tongue twister for no reason. They ain't even no tongue twister, but your boy trying to grow the channel. I gotta spit, that's what it is. Your boy trying to grow the channel, you know, so I can be able to put out, I have a hell of ideas, man. I got other cars I want to put on the channel. I just gotta make moves, you know what I'm saying, to get this car, I got 2 other cars I could jump on. I just gotta travel real quick to go jump in it, you know what I'm saying? But that y'all, I think y'all like it too. But I'm trying to, the vision is this. Y'all help me get this vision done so y'all can be able to enjoy the content. I want to show me driving a car on the game, and I want to drive that same car in real life. So that way we'll get POV of me mutting the car on the game, whatever game it's gonna be, and I do the same exact thing that I did on the game in real life, whatever car it is. All right, that's the vision. Let's make it happen. So to make it happen, I need y'all to subscribe and like, and just let me know this. Hey, I like that idea. Y'all let me know if y'all like that idea. Comment down below. Hey, yeah, I fuck with it. Do it. You know, because I'm doing this to have fun, but I also want to be entertaining for y'all. That's the main thing, is I want to make sure y'all entertained. Are you not entertained? That's the main thing. You know, so I want to make sure y'all like what's going on. You know, I can't really dog the car. I ain't not dog the car, but I ain't really trying to do no driving like that. You know what I'm saying? Because look at the rain. And it's cold. Y'all see how Atlanta had a little snow day? Sheesh. I can imagine how many people crashed. Shit, because Florida get hit with some water. It's like they know, hey, water, hit the gas. Not even slow down, not be cautious. Nah, racetrack time. Dumb shit. Yeah, so it's early. I'm waiting for that phone call. I'm hungry. I'm about to, I think I got enough time. We'll give me some Chick-fil-A breakfast. Woo! That thing be fire. Yeah, man. I'm glad I changed those tires, because the tires was kind of bald. And now it's wet. Shit, I would have been hydroplaning right now. Yeah. I like the tires. There's some, what the hell are they? They're not Dunlops. Oh, some Michelin. Yeah. Some Michelin, whatever the model was. I don't know. It is second compound. They say comp 2 or something like that. And they got, hey, I like them. I like them a lot. They grippy. So wherever you point the car, it's gonna go. Like right now, I'm hitting all these little puddles. I don't even feel it. So yeah, cause these are like rain tires too. I forgot what you call them. Seasonal tires. I don't know, but they on point, and they get me right. They get me right. So yeah, man. Oh, I just found out when I was changing the tires, I got a bent rim. My right passenger side rim in front, or the right is the passenger, but the front passenger's on rim, that shit bent. So now I gotta get some rims. I was already gonna go and do the drag pack to it, you know, cause you know you gotta get that straight line too, you know. But I'm gonna either get the drag pack and get that one rim, so I'll be able to swap in between. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna figure it out. Anybody? Hey, any one of y'all? How y'all like the drag force? Not drag force. The drag pack on wheels. I'm thinking about getting the VMSs. How y'all like them? How they feel? What tire what wheel to put on there, what tire compound or whatever. What y'all think? Is for street strip, not dedicated strip. I don't want no slicks or nothing like that. Y'all let me know, man. Car guy, you know what I'm saying? I don't know too much about the tires like that. I just know make it go fast and have no traction. This rain buzzing. Anybody from Atlanta? How y'all like that snow day? I see people making snowman, all kind of shit. I seen a whole bunch of side-by-sides. Y'all seen that video? Shit. Damn. Oh, I just remember this now because my homeboy had called me earlier today and we were talking about it. Hey man, prayers out for those people in Cali, boy. However y'all feeling politically, all that don't even matter. Man, y'all pray for those people in Cali because people lost everything. And then to lose all that, and then the insurance company not even being part of it, they backed out on those people. You know, fuck how y'all feel about the government, all that shit. There's still real people out here. I seen something, people talking about, oh, man, we don't care about those celebrities, man, they got the money, but y'all ain't understanding. It's like, celebrities regular people too, they just got money. You know, y'all made them so idolized, you know what I'm saying? They regular fucking people. Y'all shouldn't be idolizing nobody. You know what I'm saying? God first, always, you know what I'm saying? You can't, these are regular ass people. So when they lose shit like that, no matter how much money they got, you know what I'm saying? It's still gonna hurt them. You know, you got stuff that you can't get back. Think about your childhood pictures getting burnt up, or your, you know what I'm saying? Like shit like that, man. So y'all ain't gotta be, those people who out here heartless and shit for no reason, dog. Man, y'all pray for those people in California, dog. Y'all pray for those people, but I'm gonna get back on to the, I'm gonna turn the camera back on once I see the guy, and we'll record from there. All right, mi gente, I'll sign back in a little bit. That boy out here, y'all already know what it is, TrackHawk, that baby. I told y'all, man. What y'all see right there? What does it say? What I say right there? Come on now. Right next to my baby right here. Y'all already know, man. I come fuck with a nigga, man. It's a little boomed right now. Soon to be on the streets near you. Mr. Trucky. Yeah.
The next day.
Hey, man, mi gente. Hey, y'all see what I'm in, boy? I'm in that big U-Haul. Got the trailer in the back. I gotta move, oh, look at that C10 right there. Look at the C10. Yeah, I gotta go move the TrackHawk, man. I gotta go put that thing in storage, boy. Y'all already know, boy. That's a hot commodity right there. You know what I'm saying? So, on my way. POV in the U-Haul. Shit. That boy wide body over that black look clean. I like it. What y'all saying, man? Who y'all know out here POVing in the U-Haul? Huh? Huh? I should spin it. Nah, but it's a Ford. This shit ain't got no power. This shit ain't got no power. AC piping. So normal. So Aki just got normal max. Yeah, man, we out here, boy. Hey, I had to show y'all something real quick. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna wide open that thing. Hey, this thing a runner, boy. Look at that. All that noise. I ain't even going nowhere, dog. I do show y'all that real quick. That shit don't even want to shift. It don't even want to shift. Sheesh. Blow the transmission. Finally, it's on there. Took a mission, but y'all should see how I was doing it. It's just too much work to show y'all. It's on there. That is out to the storage. We out back in that fast white orange. Can we see that? Oh shit. God damn. Where the key at? Oh, it's push start. No, it ain't. But that ain't the key. That definitely ain't the key. This ain't the key. This shit ugly. Bing, 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 bing. Whoa. Y'all hear that? Y'all don't want no problems, man. Warning. Try green. Alright, we out.
One eternity later.
To finish up the night, the shit got stuck on the trailer, but it's in there. I had to use some come-alongs. I bust my ass. Now my wrist hurt, my neck hurt, my back hurt, and yeah, I'm done with this shit. Sign it up.